Now, Channel 3 Early Warning Weather.
We will be rain and snow free all the way through the beginning of the weekend and then into the first half of Sunday as well. But then into Monday, you are going to have to reevaluate your travel plans, especially depending on what part of the state you live in. We're still expecting more snow for Litchfield County than the rest of the state. But overall, it does look like a lot of the state will transition from snow to rain for this upcoming event. So for Saturday, we're expecting sunshine in the morning, clouds in the afternoon, and then the winds dampening down. It's going to be wind free on Sunday. The sun is going to be shining, a cold day, but really a nice weekend coming up for us once the winds back off on Saturday. And then we get into late Sunday night. That's when the clouds eventually will bring us snow showers. As of right now, it looks like the shoreline is just going to get some mix and mainly just rain showers. So then we kind of strike them off for any snow accumulations. But inland locations, we are looking at least some wet snow accumulations. So it could be just 6 hours of this going on. And then for another 6 hours, we get a ½ inch of rain on top of that. So you can imagine getting 3 inches of slush and then some rain on top of it. That's pretty good for the roads. It might be pretty bad when it's snowing outside, but this is a pretty ideal outcome for us that everyone gets some rain on top of the snow. That'll really help accelerate the improving road conditions throughout Monday. Of course, this could change a little bit, but the change for today was definitely in our favor. A warmer trend for this upcoming storm system on Monday. The sun is shining right now. A beautiful day in New London, 45 degrees at the moment to go with just a little bit of cloud cover up towards the hills. But we are seeing some good sun across the shoreline. Some places getting close to 50 degrees, 40 degrees right now in Hartford, 37 in Willimantic. It's, compared to what we've endured recently, this is feeling pretty good, right? 45 in Groton and 44 degrees right now in New Haven. Once we get into Friday, we're expecting things to really cool down after sunset. So not so bad for the majority of Friday, but if you're doing anything late for Friday evening, you definitely want to bring not only the winter coat, but also supplement that with the scarf and gloves for sure. Into Sunday morning, that's when we're going to see temperatures dipping down to single digits. So that's back-to-back days of single-digit temperatures. Saturday morning, very cold for us, and also Sunday. Temperatures getting back to seasonably comfortable once we get into the afternoon on Monday. However, it's going to be quite windy for the storm as well. So again, while we're getting that wet snow very early on Monday, we have the winds to combat, but ultimately some folks could be getting into the 40s once we get to Monday. And then for Tuesday, we're expecting another chilly day. Wind speeds right now are mainly calm, but coming out of the south just a little bit to give us some of those warmer temperatures. And to look at the bigger picture, we have some flurries that are dragging across northern New England, but not so much here in southern New England. May see a couple of stray snowflakes across the Litchfield Hills if you're going for a hike or something like that today. Great day for it, but ultimately we're just not going to see anything until we get to Monday, because our next storm system is going to deflect off the high pressure and go gently out to sea. We may see a couple of sprinkles Friday morning in New London. That's it. Way too far to the east to give us any trouble. So that worked out for us pretty well. But we are definitely going to get that storm system on Monday, which still could change a little bit as far as the temperatures, but not the impacts. Low temperatures for tonight, dipping below freezing, mostly cloudy, but just a little bit below freezing. It's actually going to be a pretty relatively mild evening coming up for us. 7-day forecast is going to give us a very cold start to the weekend. Okay, so we're talking about dangerous cold. Wind chills, -10 to -20. Want to limit your outdoor exposure to 30 minutes. And if you got any exposed skin, definitely want the gloves, balaclava, all that stuff for Saturday morning. 29 on Sunday. And then we're looking at improving temperatures for the beginning of next week.